Hi guys, my name is Barnes and today we are going to learn rock to fake. So we learn how to drop in and we have plenty of speed going up the next wall. So let's try to do a rock to fakie on the other side of the ramp. As you reach the coping, you have to lift up your front foot and poke your board over the top until your front wheels touch the deck or as close as possible. When you're coming back, make sure you clean the coping by lifting up your front foot as you start to roll back to the ramp. As you're rolling back to the ramp, put your weight on your back foot, bend your knee, and aim your shoulders a bit over your front foot. Make sure your front truck is clean and over the coping. You don't want to hang up, otherwise you look up and you fall to the bottom of the ramp. So that's about it. You learn guys how to do a rock to fakie. Go find the bowl and practice your new trick. Thank you guys for watching the video. Go skate and have fun.